Hi folks, so today we're going to be fitting a tank pad from the UK manufacturer Motografix, who according to their own spiel are the world's #1 supplier, and I quote, of the world's best motorcycle protective graphics. So what do we get in the kit then? Well, I ordered it through a UK company and I'll put the details in the description down below. Basically you get a set of instructions telling you how to fit the tank pads to the bike, and then you get the tank pads themselves. All came down in a little kind of jiffy bag. So just taking a look here, and it's that sort of squidgy kind of tank pad, and the quality seems really good. So more than happy with that, and it should go really well on the bike. This company Motografix do loads of stuff, so if you want to check out their website down below, click on that link and it'll take you to all the other bits and pieces they do for the BMW GS range as well. It's not that difficult to install, having read the instructions. It's going to take about 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes I hope. So this is the bike before, looking rather splendid. And the reason I want to put the tank protection on basically is when I'm sat on the bike, although I am a slim svelte kind of guy, just in case something drops on here, I think I'd shed a few tears if I took a ding out of the tank. And I've got a tank bag to go on here eventually, which had on my Africa Twin, so that will be coming down on here. So there's always a slight chance could get some rubbing on here as well. So that's the reason for the tank pad going on. What I'm going to do now, folks, is just cut each of these two sections out and just offer them up to the tank, so I've got an idea as to how they're going to sit on the tank. I thought I would just do this way really, but you can do whatever you want. Whack them straight on straight away, you know. It's entirely up to you what you're after. So that's what I'm left with. So I want to know, am I going to put this on and this, or just this? I'm not sure, so let's just offer it up to the tank on the bike. Well, I've got to say that doesn't look too bad, so I think I'm going to bite the bullet and I'm going to put both of them on, I think. So I'm just going to dry this off now with a clean microfiber. And when the tank's nice and dry, methylated spirits just to degrease it. And just wipe it dry as well. So I think what I'm going to do now is just release the tank protector from the backing pad. Try not to handle it too much because you don't want to get your oily fingers on there. So there we go, and then over to the bike. So again, try not to get my grubby mitts on it. Where do I reckon that's going to be? It's quite hard because it's all black on black. Right, because you're going to be looking at this for a long time, so you want to make sure it's right. I think let's have a look. Again, just sort of play around with it until you're finally happy with it. Got no air bubbles in that, which is good. Mange two, Rodney. Just press it down a little bit. That looks pretty equal. So I'm going to get a cloth and just rub that in. So I've got another fresh cloth here, and I'm just going to rub on the lower graphic, and just to get any air bubbles out, which there aren't any in there. So it's a very good fit, folks. More than happy with that. More than happy with that. Just work your way around the graphic. And what they say is that adhesive takes about 24 hours to sort of cure. So I am hoping that if you don't like the graphics after a while, you can put a hairdryer on it and remove the graphic. Fingers crossed if I don't like them, but I've got to say, yeah, that looks all right. So happy with the first bit, let's put the second bit on. So here's the upper part then. Again, just peel it off. Try not to touch the backing adhesive, and then go and offer it up to the tank. And carefully we're going to offer this top section up to the tank. So just making sure down here the gap is pretty much similar. How are we doing there? There's a lip there, so I'm talking to myself. And that is pretty sticky stuff, just want to go over. That's hard black on black. That really is quite difficult. So just take your time, and when you're happy and you know it, clap your hands or something like that. And I think, no, there's a little bubble here, so I'm just going to unpick this if I can, and just catch the light. There's the bubble, and then just pull it out. Bingo, no air bubbles. Spot on. Yeah, just have a look with the light. Happy with that. And give it a final wipe with a dry cloth. So give it a final wipe then. And like I said before, it does take about 24 hours for the adhesive to go off. So what do you think, folks? Yeah, I think that's all right. And if I don't like it, later on I can take it off. So that is the Motografix tank protector from that good old UK company, Motografix. That's it, folks. It is about a 5-minute installation. Just make sure you prepare the tank properly, wash it, and then use some methylated spirits, dry it, and then make sure you know where the sections are going to go, and then you'll end up with something like this. I really quite like it, actually. Yeah, happy with that. As I say, it ain't too shabby, and that'll give me a nice little bit of protection around here if I drop something on it, and also with the tank bag on here coming down. Yeah, that should protect it. That's it, folks. Hope you liked the video. See you again soon in the next video, and as ever, ride safe and catch you later. Bye.